In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme. When it's ready, open it. And to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent in the pop-up and click on this gear at the top left corner. Now you can manage all of those options however you want to. And even click on presets to select one of those options. Just tap on the best one and hit yes to load it. Then adjust all of its settings from here. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one over here. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Select Yes. Hit Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!